Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, and this is how you replace a busted hard disk on a Dahua DVR. So as you can see here, there's no light indicator for our hard disk. That one blinking blue light is for our power. To replace the hard disk, we now need to open the chassis of our DVR. We need to remove a total of 4 screws from our device. That's one.
Perfect.
That's two.
Perfect.
Those are screws 3 and 4 right there.
Perfect.
Now we can remove our chassis cover. But first, ever wonder how to cook those delicious, mouth-watering traditional Filipino dishes like kare-kare, pininyahan, or tinolang manok? Tune in to COOKSINERO's cooking videos and he'll show you how to do these the easy way. He also goes live Mondays through Fridays, 7:30 p.m. Subscribe to COOKSINERO and boost your cooking knowledge today. Anytime now, there you go. Now that is our busted hard disk right there. We now remove 2 screws from the bottom of the device so that we can replace our busted hard disk. So that's 2.
Perfect.
Not so fast, Bob. We still need to disconnect our power and data cable first.
Perfect.
Now that it's out of the way, we can now remove our busted hard disk from our DVR.
Perfect.
Now let us welcome our brand new hard disk. Our replacement hard disk is a 1TB Seagate Skyhawk. Now we do this in reverse and reconnect both the power and data cable back to our new hard disk. Now we are back and connected to our DVR.
Perfect.
And now we have 2 steps left. First, we reconnect the 2 screws at the bottom of our DVR, which will hold our hard disk. So that's 2.
Perfect.
Now just make sure that the cables are properly connected from the hard disk to our DVR. Our last step is putting the chassis cover back on. And there we go. We can now turn our DVR back on. Congrats on your very first hard disk replacement for your DVR. I hope that you have learned something from our video today. Once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will see you guys on our next video. Huge thanks to the guys at Eastern Cold Brew Coffee for sponsoring our video today. Did you know that cold brew can boost your metabolism and lift up your mood at the same time? If ever you wanted that dark, rich, cold coffee taste, try Eastern Cold Brew Coffee today. Cold brew is not just coffee poured over ice. It went through a process of slow steeping coffee beans, then eventually straining them out. Eastern Cold Brew Coffee. It's the process, not the temperature. Try one today by clicking on their social media links on our video description.